Welcome back to Fluentors. You're doing great. This is day 6 of our 5-minute shadowing practice. Today, let's practice polite office requests and professional questions you can use every day. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally, politely, and confidently. Listen carefully, repeat aloud, and shadow the speaker. You will hear each sentence 2 times. First, listen at normal speed. Then, shadow the sentence. After that, repeat by yourself. 1. Could you please help me with this task? Could you please help me with this task? 2. Can I ask you a quick question? Can I ask you a quick question? 3. Would you mind checking this email for me? Would you mind checking this email for me? 4. Could you explain this part again, please? Could you explain this part again, please? 5. Is this a good time to talk? Is this a good time to talk? 6. May I take a few minutes of your time? May I take a few minutes of your time? 7. Can you please share the update with the team? Can you please share the update with the team? 8. Would it be okay if I worked from home today? Would it be okay if I worked from home today? 9. Could we schedule a meeting for later today? Could we schedule a meeting for later today? 10. Can you clarify what you mean by this point? Can you clarify what you mean by this point? 11. May I get your feedback on this report? May I get your feedback on this report? 12. Would you mind sending me the file again? Would you mind sending me the file again? 13. Could you please speak a little slower? Could you please speak a little slower? 14. Can I confirm the deadline with you? Can I confirm the deadline with you? 15. Would it be possible to extend the deadline? Would it be possible to extend the deadline? 16. Could you let me know your availability? Could you let me know your availability? 17. May I suggest an alternative solution? May I suggest an alternative solution? 18. Can you guide me through the process? Can you guide me through the process? 19. Would you like me to handle this task? Would you like me to handle this task? 20. Could we discuss this after the meeting? Could we discuss this after the meeting? 21. May I follow up on my previous request? May I follow up on my previous request? 22. Can you please confirm once it's done? Can you please confirm once it's done? 23. Would you mind if I shared my opinion? Would you mind if I shared my opinion? 24. Could you give me a quick update on this? Could you give me a quick update on this? 25. May I ask what the next steps are? May I ask what the next steps are? 26. Can we prioritize this task today? Can we prioritize this task today? 27. Would it help if I prepared a draft? Would it help if I prepared a draft? 28. Could you please keep me informed? Could you please keep me informed? 29. May I double-check this information? May I double-check this information? 30. Thank you for your support and cooperation. Thank you for your support and cooperation. Great job today. Practice this lesson again to sound more confident. Subscribe Fluentors and join us tomorrow for the next 5-minute shadowing practice.